managing a multilingual Joomla site usually means double the work. Right now, we have our English categories ready, but the French side is completely empty. Let's fix that with automation. Here in n8n, I have built a localizer workflow. It's not just translating text, it's mapping the structure. The bot is looping through every category and article, translating the content, and most importantly, preparing the relationships. Back in Joomla, just a quick sanity check to ensure we actually have the French language back installed so the system can receive the new data. We just open the configuration, set our source language to English and our target to French. Simple. I will hit execute and watch the magic. We can see the execution flow was successful. It grabbed the content, sent it to the AI for translation, and pushed it back to Joomla via the API. Now for the moment of truth. If we refresh the categories list, there it is. Our French category has been automatically created. But creating the category is the easy part. The real pain point in Joomla is usually linking them together so the language switcher actually works. Let's open the new French category and take a look under the hood. The title description are perfectly translated. And here is the game changer. Look at the associations tab. The automation automatically linked it to the English original. No manual selection required. Let's check the actual content. We head over to articles. All our English posts now have French counterparts. I will open this blog post. The text is localized. The image is preserved. And again, if we check the associations, boom, it's fully linked to the English source. Let's try another one. This one has links and formatting. You can see the AI respected the HTML structure while translating the text. Once more, the association is locked in. This means if a visitor on your site switches from English to French while reading this, they will land exactly on this page, not the home page. One last check on the About page. The translation quality is solid, and the context is maintained. This workflow handles all the heavy lifting API calls, mapping, translation, and association. So you don't have to. If you want to skip the build time, join the free automation kit list below and I'll send this workflow straight to your inbox. Have a nice day.